Hello everyone, I am Akanksha. Welcome to today's class. Today we will talk about emotions and I'll be taking you through the details of drawing negative emotions in a character. The supplies I'll be using today are the Brustro Artist Watercolors, the Brustro Fine Liners, Brustro White Gel Pens, and a very fun product, the Brustro Fanfold Sketchbooks. These sketchbooks are available in both hot and cold pressed 100% cotton 300 GSM watercolor papers. The fanfold books are great for painting panoramic landscapes, as you can go across the folds of this book to cover an extremely wide scene if you wish to. Today I will be using this to create a storyboard on negative emotions. If you are into doodling and illustrations, you will agree that emotions are the lifeblood of characters and stories. They are an essential part of connecting the character with the audience. Storytelling involves more than just lining up action pieces. No matter how exciting the action, the character's emotional reactions is what provides fascination. In order to emote our characters, we first need to be familiar with the basic emotions. These are the primary emotions and the secondary emotions. The primary emotions are the ones which are wired into our brains since birth. All other emotions are made up by combining these basic emotions. A secondary emotion is an emotional reaction to a primary emotion. For example, feeling excited when you are happy or feeling hurt when you are sad. Now let's get started. I'm starting with a neutral expression. This is the natural state of the face where all muscles are relaxed. I'm using the Brustro Fine Liners for making the outlines, and I'm also using the white gel pens for highlights. Now, let's turn this neutral expression into a sad one. When sad, the head hangs low. The outer corners of the eyes slant downwards and the inner corners of the eyebrows go up. The mouth is in a frown. The eyes might even be filling up with tears and appear reflective. Now, let's go a step higher in this emotion and intensify the sadness. Here, the character is anguished, which means the sadness is to the degree of being painful. Here, the eyes are closed tight, producing wrinkles. The inside corners of the brows are raised and the brow is furrowed. The mouth is wide open, possibly crying out in pain. For added effect, we can add some tears streaming down the cheeks. Another basic negative emotion is one of fear. When someone is scared, they appear timid and get panicky. They could be looking in the direction of the source of danger. They sweat. The pupils are contracted and small. The outer corners of the eyes slope down and the inner corners of the eyebrows are now up. The brows are furrowed and the mouth stays small and open. Now, let's step this up. Intensely scared is terrified. The eyes are wide open and the pupils become super dilated and tiny. The brows are raised up and stay furrowed. The mouth is open in a scream with corners turned downwards. Next, let's look at the emotion of being shocked. A feeling of astonishment in the negative way is shock. Here the eyes open as wide as they possibly can and the pupils get teeny tiny. The eyebrows go up and the mouth is open in an O. Another basic emotion is anger. Here the head is tilted downwards as to intimidate. The eyebrows are lowered with inside corners pointing down. The skin between the brow wrinkles and the mouth forms a frown. Intensely angry is furious. The whole face opens up and the features spread out vertically. Brows are extremely furrowed and forehead is wrinkled. Mouth is wide open and snarled. Teeth and tongue may be visible as this person might be screaming. Then comes disgust. Disgust is a feeling of aversion towards something offensive. The face in this case would have lowered eyebrows, wrinkling on the sides and bridge of the nose. Lower lip is raised and slightly protruding, and the upper lip is raised in an inverted U. I hope you found this lesson useful and that these expressions would help you in adding some varied shades of negative emotions to your characters and make your storyline more interesting. Until next time, bye and thank you.